Come test drive the 2016 Jeep Grand Cherokee. The Jeep Grand Cherokee offers superior off-road capability comparable to that of the upscale Land Rover LR3. This makes the Grand Cherokee a fine choice for families who venture off-road or vacation in the mountains or other remote areas. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, center armrest, trip computer, electronic stability control, rear window defroster, fog lights, compass, power windows, panic alarm, brake assist, tachometer, overhead console, remote keyless entry, rear view camera, power seat, driver vanity mirror. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.